Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y72 5G and I'm gonna show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down and find the watermark option, so we have to tap on it. Here, as you can see, we get access to 3 types of watermarks. The timestamp. By using the button from the right, we can easily turn it on and off as we need. The model watermark. Also by using this button from the right, we can turn it on and off. And the custom one, when we turn it on, we can add our own content. So let's pick it. Now we can write here our own custom watermark, for example, HardReset. Here we can save it. And as you can see, we have it turned on. We can turn on the other ones or pick 1 or 2 or 3 at the same time. So let me keep it like that now, and let's move to the camera to see how these watermarks look at the real picture. Now let's move to the left, to the button that falls us straight to the gallery, and this is the photo with watermarks in the left corner at the bottom. Let's get closer to them. And we have VIVO Y72 watermark, so the device one, with HardReset, the custom one, and in the second line we have the timestamp. And of course, when we don't need them or need another composition with that, we have to move back to the camera, then to the right corner settings, slide down to watermark, and use this as we need or just turn them off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.